Which woman is the man's wife? Hard to tell, right? Take another look and focus on the details. You'll get the correct answer at the end of this video. Second challenge, find the number 5 in the picture. Now double tap the screen, just so I know you got it right. Third question, what's the first app that shows up when you tap share and then more? I'm guessing it's the Messages app. By the way, did you know that if you follow my profile, my head will literally explode into popcorn? Fourth question, press and hold the comment button, then pick your favorite emoji. I bet you picked this one. Now, for the final question, be warned, it's a tough one. What number do you see in the image? Got a theory? Drop it in the comments. Now, the answer, the man's wife, is woman A. Why? Look closely. The woman in the background is wearing the same necklace as her. Follow for more.